Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about signs that your manifestation is working, that things are actually working out for you, and that everything that you're trying to manifest is on its way to you. So the first thing is closure. So sometimes when things are happening and it feels like you're losing things, maybe you lost your job, maybe you lost friends or your phone, maybe you lost like opportunities, you miss out on opportunities, and you're just feeling like really sad and negative and just like, oh, poor me kind of moment. And you could even be thinking like, oh my gosh, like why is all of these things happening to me? Like this is not good. Like it could feel bad. But whenever you're trying to manifest new things, you basically have to clear out space for the new things to come. It's like if you were ordering a new couch, right? You would have to get rid of your old couch somehow. So if someone spills on your white couch and ruins it and you have to get rid of it, in the moment it might feel like, oh, this loss, like my couch. But it could mean that you have something new coming in, something better. So even when things feel like they're not working out for you, you have to trust that it just means that new and better things are coming in. And this was necessary. Like this had to fall apart in order for you to get something better. If you get fired from a job that you hate and then you get a better job, that is why. If you miss out on an opportunity that made you really, really sad, trust that a new and better one is coming. Number two is like surges of emotions. If you're like visualizing or scripting, you're doing like a manifestation thing, you're doing like a manifestation exercise and you're thinking about the things that you want to manifest, and you just kind of get this sudden like surge of emotions. Maybe you feel excited or happy or giddy, whatever it is. It's a really good sign that your manifestation is coming, because your thoughts and your feelings translate to vibrations and energies and frequencies. So if something good is coming, sometimes you might experience it, or like you might get a sign, you might feel the emotions before the thing actually gets to you, and it's a sign that something good is coming. It means that your emotions are trying to kind of match the energy and align with the energy of what is to come. Number three is seeing 1111 or 2222, or just the numbers 1 and 2 repeatedly. Could be different numbers for some of you, but 1111 and 222, 2222 is really common, because 1111 actually means that you're in alignment. It means that you're aligned with whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. So it is coming, it is on its way. And some people will think of 1111 as like actually like portal doors. So like something new is coming, a portal is opening for you, good things are coming for you. And 222 or 2222, the number 2, some people actually think of it as like everything being in perfect alignment, and it means that a big shift is coming, and that is really close. Number 4 is random invites from old friends. It doesn't have to be super specific, but if like old friends or old connections randomly reach out to you, or if they randomly invite you to like hang out, to get lunch, whatever it is, and you're like, I haven't seen this person in so long, so like it's so random to be getting a text from them. But it's actually not. Things will seem random, like invitations, like people wanting to hang out with you might seem random, but it's not. It's the universe's way of like delivering things to you. So these friends, these old connections, these invitations, they're actually like messengers. They're actually trying to deliver something to you. Maybe it's a message, maybe it's an idea, something like that. I saw one of my old friends recently, and I thought we were just gonna hang out, have fun, and we did. But also we talked, and she said some things that really resonated with me, and there were things I was struggling with internally that I was just like having a hard time like with. It was like how I felt versus how someone else felt, and even though I thought I was right, it was very nice to have someone else confirm it and kind of explain like the reasons why they think that way. So that really helped me to be able to have her perspective. So I think her like texting me out of the blue wasn't actually just like her texting me out of the blue. It was like a message I needed to hear, and that's how the message was delivered to me, through like an old friend. So whenever you get these invites, try to say yes if you can, because it's kind of like wherever attention goes, energy flows. So if some message is trying to come to you, you want to put your attention on and your focus on that in order to amplify and grow that energy, because that is what's going to help bring the manifestation to you. Number 5 is challenges or tests. And sometimes these can feel really like grueling in the moment. It can be like, oh my gosh, like why is this happening to me? But you have to shift that around. Why is this happening for me? Sometimes right when you're about to get a big manifestation, you're gonna get a test, you're gonna get some kind of challenges. And in the moment it feels difficult and it feels like a lot, but the bigger the challenge, the bigger the reward. And it's just like, think of it as like a final test, like a final challenge you have to go through before you get everything that you want. And the last one is dreams. If you're having dreams that make you feel happy or make you feel excited, and you're kind of experiencing like positive emotions through your dreams, it's a really good sign that your manifestations are coming. When you're dreaming and you're in a state of subconscious, it's a lot easier for like your higher self or the universe to communicate with you and to deliver messages to you, for you to download messages. So it could be a way of the universe sending you messages that your manifestations are coming. Okay, that's it for today's little video. I hope that you found value in this, and if you did, I trust that you'll hit the like button and share it with someone who might also find this to be impactful. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you next time. Bye!